This is how to change your YouTube profile picture. In this video, I'll be walking you through how you can easily change your YouTube profile picture using your mobile phone first. Then I will show you how to do that using your desktop computer. For you to change your YouTube profile picture on your mobile phone, you tap your YouTube mobile app. This is my YouTube mobile app. You can see this is home. You come to your profile picture down here, this place. You tap it. This is my profile picture for this channel. To change this profile picture, you tap on it. You come to this pencil-like icon. You tap it. You tap this camera-like picture. You tap it. You can now decide to take a picture of yourself or to navigate to your gallery to pick the pictures of your choice. Or you go to your Google Photos to pick a suitable picture for your YouTube profile page. I will go to my gallery. I will pick this photo. You can resize it. As soon as it's okay, you click save as profile picture. Save as profile picture. You can see it is saved already. To see it properly, you can come back. And here you can see my new YouTube profile picture for my mobile app. For you to change your YouTube profile picture for desktop computer, you click your profile picture. I click this. You navigate to your YouTube studio. You scroll down. You click customization. You scroll down. You can see picture. This is your profile picture. To upload the new picture, you click here, upload. You pick the picture that you already saved on your computer system. You do proper setting. Then you click OK. You can see the picture is there, but it's not saved yet. You come to this place to publish. You can come back here. You can see it has changed, but to see it properly, you click your channel. You can see it has changed, or you click YouTube. You can see your YouTube profile picture is changed for your desktop computer. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. That will always help you to get my videos every week.